When it comes to appointment setting, walang one specific tool kayo na kailangan pag-aralan kasi different clients, different industries, iba-iba yung tools na ginagamit nila. However, if may something in common sa lahat ng appointment setting position, lalo na kung may BPO experience kayo, mapapansin niyo na very same yung process would be number 1, products training. So, kailangan magkaroon kayo ng products training wherein malalaman ninyo kung ano yung products or services na ino-offer ng company ninyo sa mga customers nila. Number 2, meron kayong script. Sa script, nandun na yung mga pwede nyo sabihin and for the most part, yung mga hindi nyo rin pwedeng sabihin, kailangan i-train din kayo ng clients doon. And then you would have a system that you will use para magtawag. So, it's either automatic na kapag ka nag-login kayo, idadial na niya ng idadial yung mga numbers or manual dialing, meaning kailangan ninyong i-type isa-isa yung mga numbers. And last but not the least, meron din kayo ng isang system kung saan nandun yung listahan ng lahat ng kailangan ninyong tawagan. Madalas ang ginagamit na nila is mga CRMs. So, sa CRM, Customer Relationship Management, nandun na yung pangalan ng customer, address, phone number, and any details na kailangan para makapag-set kayo ng appointments. Tuturuan din kayo ng clients ninyo kung paano nyong masiset yung appointment sa calendar nila. Ng pinaka-basic na ginagamit for CRM right now, meron pa nga kaming clients na gumagamit pa rin ng Google Sheet and that is okay. As an appointment setter, 90% of your shift, nagtatawag kayo and then the last 10% would probably be for reports. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow from your work from home chismis. Bye!